go from out of the box to a mounted outdoor Wi-Fi camera with no cables.
Okay, we're going to start by using this phone's hotspot. And our camera's plugged in, so we're going to click Configure Cameras. And right now it's scanning for a camera. There we go, we click Configure. And now we're going to give it a name that will be useful later on when we want to search by camera. We're going to keep all of these default settings. Enter our Wi-Fi password. And all of the settings are getting finalized, and we're done. Now that we've configured this new camera called Front, we can do the live view, and there we are.